Good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. My name is Evan Reese, and I'm with Applied Systems Technology, or AST, and we're celebrating 25 years of helping staffing firms improve their profitability by combining automation and best practices within our fully integrated front and back office staffing software. I'm actually here today to talk to you about 3 ways that you as a salesperson or recruiter within a staffing firm can use LinkedIn. These are 3 things that you can do today. Not tomorrow, not over the course of a month, like literally just today. I'm actually currently working with 3 other staffing firms on how they're using Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And I'm going to be presenting what we've been doing, what's been working, what has been working, and just their overall progress at a breakfast that NJSA is putting on June 22nd, 2010. It's a Tuesday at 8 a.m. at the Edison Sheraton Hotel. So Sheraton Hotel in Edison, New Jersey. Go to njsa.com. You can register for this free event. Number 1, you want to get your profile up to snuff. If you go to Profile, Edit Profile on LinkedIn, you can actually come right in here. You can see how complete your profile is. In this case, I'm 100% complete. But if I wasn't 100% complete, LinkedIn would list the different areas that my profile is lacking in, or things that I can do to kind of bolster my profile. So here's what I recommend you focus on. 1 is get your picture on there, upload your picture. If you scroll down, your professional summaries or specialties, get this information filled in. Use the keywords and buzzwords that are going to catch people's eyes and that people can be searching on. In your professional experience, as you keep scrolling down, don't just list your professional experience, but also put descriptions in again with those keywords that you want to, 1, to show up in the searches, and also just to show your credentials. Be generous to yourself. This is just like a resume. Don't sell yourself short. And additionally, get recommendations. Ask people to endorse you. See, right now I have 8 recommendations for my current position and other positions that I've held in the past. So get people to endorse you. It's a really great selling tool. It's a great tool to build trust. Secondly, and this is probably the case with many staffing professionals, you have all your contacts in, probably Outlook. If you have all your contacts in Outlook, but you may have a lot fewer connections in LinkedIn. Well, there's no reason why you shouldn't import your Outlook contacts into LinkedIn and at least invite the people that you're connected with that you have in your Outlook as Outlook contacts. There's no reason not to invite them to connect with you on LinkedIn. So it's very easy to do this. For instance, if I go to, actually you don't even have to go to your connections page. You'll see Add Connections along the top of when you're logged into LinkedIn. Click Add Connections. And right here, you can, for instance, 1 is you can just copy and paste email addresses. If you have a Hotmail or a Gmail account, you could log into that Hotmail or Gmail account and then actually connect with all your contacts there. Or another thing is you can import your contacts from Outlook. So if you click Import Your Contacts, you can choose a file. You can choose a CSV file, for instance, that you create through Outlook, and then import those contacts and invite them to connect with you on LinkedIn. Outlook, it's so easy. It's so easy to export your contacts. If I go into my own Outlook account and I go to File, Import, Export, and I'll say Export to a file. I click Next. I want to do a CSV file, comma-separated values, and I go to my contacts and I say Next, and then I can go to a folder. I can export all my contacts, and once I export them to that CSV file, I can then import that file into LinkedIn. I'm not going to do that now for the sake of time, but very simple thing that you can do. You got your LinkedIn profile up to snuff. You imported your contacts, whether they're using Outlook, a free email account like Gmail or Hotmail. And thirdly, you got to start connecting with people on LinkedIn through searches, by following companies, by joining groups. Okay, so for instance, maybe you go to a job fair, maybe you go to some networking event, and you get a bunch of business cards. Well, there's no reason to not. You can see you can do an advanced person. You can do search. You can go to the advanced search, or you don't even have to go to the advanced search. You can just type in somebody's name and then do a search for them and then connect with them on LinkedIn. Also, you can search for companies. You can follow companies. So, for instance, if you're in New Jersey and you are involved in staffing and logistics, for instance, you may be wanting to get into National Freight, which is based in New Jersey. It's a national logistics company, though. So you can do a search for that company, and you can choose to follow that company. Click follow, and now that company's updates will show up on your LinkedIn profile. When you first log into LinkedIn, you'll see any updates. So start searching for companies and following companies. Also, groups. Start searching for groups and join groups. So, for instance, now I'm going to click this drop down and search for groups. I'm going to do New Jersey Logistics. Let's see what we get. See, look, wow, you have some very targeted groups in New Jersey that deal specifically in the logistics area. So join these groups and start connecting with the people in these groups. Also, to see how 3 other staffing professionals are effectively using Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, go to njsa.com and register to join me for this free breakfast on June 22nd at the Sheraton Edison Hotel at 8 a.m. Also, I urge you, check out my company AST's website and contact us to see how we're integrating Outlook, email, texting, and social media into our staffing software. Feel free to email me, ev@astusa.com, or call me at 845-534-7100, extension 1102, or just check out our website, astusa.com, and then you can click on the Contact Us link if you want to make an inquiry that way. So, hope to see you next week. Until next time, get out there, be empowered, and try something new.